New Google AI Agentic update is insane free. Google just dropped something insane. It's called Gemini Agent, and it can do your work for you. We're talking research, booking, comparing prices, all while you sleep. This is not science fiction. It's available right now, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it to grow your business. All right, let's talk about what Google just released because this changes everything. Google just launched Gemini Agent, and this thing is wild. It's not just another chatbot. It's an actual agent that can complete tasks for you, real tasks, complex tasks, tasks that used to take you hours. That's it. But Gemini Agent actually goes out and does things. It compares prices, it checks your email, it books appointments, it researches competitors, it handles the boring stuff so you don't have to. And the best part, it's available right now for Google AI Ultra users in the US, both desktop and mobile. So you can literally automate your business from your phone. Let me show you exactly what this means for your business. Imagine you need to book travel for a business trip. Normally, you'd spend an hour or two opening different websites, comparing flight times, checking hotel reviews, looking at car rental prices, trying to find the best deal. It's exhausting. But now you can tell Gemini Agent your budget and dates, and it goes to work. It compares prices across different sites. It checks your email for travel preferences. It finds the best options, and it can even book everything for you. That's what I mean by an agent. It doesn't just tell you what to do, it does it. That's hours of work done in minutes. Here's another example. You want to create a new landing page. You need to research what's working in the industry, check competitor pages, find the best headlines, look at conversion tactics, gather testimonials, compile pricing strategies. This used to be a full day project. Now you tell Gemini Agent to research top performing AI community landing pages. It goes out, finds examples, analyzes what works, pulls together the data, and gives you a complete report. You just saved yourself 6 hours, but it gets better. Let's talk about how this actually works. Gemini Agent uses what Google calls agentic AI. That means it can break down big tasks into smaller steps. Then it completes each step on its own without you having to prompt it again and again. So if you ask it to find the best collaboration tool for your team, it doesn't just give you a list, it checks pricing, it reads reviews, it compares features, it looks at integration options, it checks if there are current deals, then it gives you a recommendation based on all that research. Think about your daily workflow. How much time do you spend on research, on comparing options, on gathering information, on booking things, on organizing data? For most business owners, it's hours every single day. Now, imagine getting that time back. That's what Gemini Agent does. It's like having an assistant who never sleeps, never complains, and works at the speed of light. The top 10 automation tools launched in the past month. It goes out, finds them, checks reviews, looks at pricing, reads user feedback, compares features. Then it creates a summary of each tool with pros and cons, use cases, and recommendations. You just got a week's worth of research done in 20 minutes. Or maybe you need to plan content for your community. You want to know what topics are trending in AI automation, what people are searching for, what problems they need solved. You tell Gemini Agent to research trending AI automation topics. It checks search trends, looks at social media, reads forum discussions, analyzes questions people are asking. Then it gives you a list of hot topics with data on search volume, difficulty, and relevance. Now you know exactly what content to create. Here's where it gets really powerful. Gemini Agent can access your Gmail, so if you're trying to coordinate with team members, it can check your email threads, find relevant information, pull out action items, organize deadlines, all without you digging through hundreds of emails. Let's say you're planning an event for your community. You tell Gemini Agent to find all emails about the event, pull out confirmed speakers, list venue options, note budget discussions, track RSVPs. It creates a complete overview from scattered email conversations. Let me show you how to actually use this thing. First, you need Google AI Ultra. That's Google's premium AI plan. Once you have that, Gemini Agent is built right in. No separate app, no complicated setup. It's just there. On desktop, you open Gemini. On mobile, you use the Gemini app. Then you start giving it tasks, real tasks, not just questions. The key is being specific about what you want. Don't just say, find me a car rental. Say, find me a car rental in Los Angeles from June 1st to June 5th. Budget under $100 per day, mid-size sedan, pick up at LAX. The more details you give, the better results you get. Gemini Agent takes those details and goes to work. Gemini Agent takes that prompt, breaks it into steps, researches each community, analyzes their processes, compares the tactics, and gives you a detailed report. You didn't have to follow up. You didn't have to ask 20 different questions. You gave it one task, and it completed the whole thing. Let me give you another prompt. This one's for content research. You could say this: Find the top 10 most shared AI automation tutorials on YouTube from the past 3 months. For each video, note the topic, the view count, the main teaching points, and why it performed well. Then identify patterns in what makes AI content go viral. This gives you a complete content strategy based on real data from actual successful videos, and you didn't spend 8 hours researching. Now, Gemini Agent finds options, checks integration capabilities, compares pricing, reads reviews, and tells you which tools are worth trying. The beauty of this is speed. Tasks that used to take hours now take minutes, and you're not doing the work. Gemini Agent is you're free to focus on strategy, on creation, on growth, on the things that actually matter. The research and admin work happens in the background. But here's what you need to know. Gemini Agent is still new. It's not perfect. Sometimes it needs more direction. Sometimes it misses details. You still need to review its work, check its findings, make sure everything's accurate. Think of it as a really fast assistant who's still learning. You give it tasks, it does the heavy lifting, then you review and refine. And right now, it's only available in the US, only for Google AI Ultra users, only on desktop and mobile. So if you're outside the US, you'll have to wait. If you don't have Ultra, you'll need to upgrade. But if you do have access, you need to start using this today because your competitors are, and they're moving faster because of it. Let me show you how this fits into your daily workflow. Morning routine, you check Gemini Agent, give it 3 research tasks for the day. By lunch, those tasks are done. Afternoon, you review the results, make decisions based on the data. Evening, you set up tomorrow's tasks. You're staying ahead, learning faster, moving quicker, all because you have an agent working for you around the clock.